Welcome to Space Nexus. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more breaking updates. Sure, the world hushed except for the gentle rhythm of the waves. The air is crisp, and the horizon stretches endlessly before you, a boundary between the familiar and the unknown. You watch the waves roll in, each one a messenger from distant places, carrying secrets from beyond the visible edge of your world. For all of human history, everything that washed up at your feet, shells, driftwood, forgotten treasures, came from our own world, shaped by familiar tides and winds. But then one day, something extraordinary happens. A bottle appears, sealed, mysterious, and clearly not from here. Its glass is unlike any you've seen, and it seems to carry a message from a place far beyond your own shores. This is what's happened to us. Not on a beach, but on the cosmic shoreline of our solar system. We are standing at the edge of a vast ocean, and something has arrived from the deep unknown. In recent years, we've received 3 confirmed visitors from the vast ocean between the stars, interstellar objects that have traveled unimaginable distances, crossing the emptiness between solar systems to reach us. These aren't just ordinary space rocks, they're physical pieces of other star systems, fragments of alien worlds delivered right to our doorstep, carrying the chemistry and history of places we may never see. For the first time in human history, we can study matter from another solar system without ever leaving our own. Scientists are now able to analyze these rare visitors, unlocking secrets about the birth and evolution of distant stars and planets. These objects are time capsules from unknown worlds, carrying stories that could redefine our understanding of planets, comets, and maybe even life itself. Each fragment is a messenger from a place we can only imagine, holding clues to cosmic mysteries. Their arrival reminds us that our solar system is not an isolated island, but part of a vast, interconnected galaxy. We are neighbors in a cosmic community, linked by the journeys of these wandering objects. With each new visitor, we get closer to understanding our cosmic origins and our place among the stars. The universe is sending us messages, and we are just beginning to learn how to read them. Our story begins on October 19, 2017, a date that would soon become historic in the world of astronomy. On that night, astronomers in Hawaii, scanning the heavens from the Mauna Kea Observatory, noticed a faint point of light gliding across the sky. Its movement was unlike anything they had seen before, swift, silent, and mysterious, defying all initial attempts at explanation. As they tracked its path, they realized it followed a hyperbolic trajectory, an unmistakable sign that this object was not from our solar system. It was just passing through, destined never to return, a true interstellar wanderer. The object was named Oumuamua, a Hawaiian word meaning scout or messenger from afar, arriving first. It became humanity's first confirmed visitor from another star, a discovery that electrified the scientific community and captured imaginations worldwide. As telescopes followed its journey, they noticed its brightness fluctuated dramatically. This suggested it was shaped unlike any asteroid or comet we'd seen, perhaps a long, tumbling object, spinning end over end, maybe 10 times longer than it was wide. Artists and scientists alike imagined a cigar-shaped body, its surface tinged red by countless years exposed to cosmic rays in the vastness between stars. Theories about its true shape and composition abounded, fueling even more curiosity. Yet, as Oumuamua passed close to the sun, it showed no tail, no outgassing, none of the features typical of a comet. This absence was baffling, leaving scientists to wonder what exactly they were witnessing. It looked inert, like an asteroid, but its movement through space told a different story. It accelerated slightly, as if pushed by something unseen, deepening the mystery. This contradiction, an object that looked like an asteroid but behaved unlike any known body, ignited one of the most fascinating scientific debates of our time. Was it a fragment of a distant planet, a cosmic iceberg, or something even stranger? By early 2018, Oumuamua had vanished from view, slipping away into the darkness of space. All that remained were a handful of puzzling data points and a universe of unanswered questions. Oumuamua was a harbinger, a silent messenger, reminding us that our solar system is not isolated, but part of a much larger cosmic neighborhood, full of wonders yet to be discovered. The central enigma of Oumuamua was its movement. After swinging around the sun, it sped up, faster than gravity alone could explain. Normally, comets accelerate from outgassing, But Oumuamua showed no such activity. Scientists proposed wild ideas, a nitrogen or hydrogen iceberg, or a fluffy sunlight-pushed dust bunny. Each theory required inventing a new kind of object, never before seen. The lack of a clear natural explanation left the door open for a bold idea. What if it was designed, built to be pushed by starlight? This was the genesis of the artificial origin hypothesis, championed by Harvard's Avi Loeb. Oumuamua's mystery forced us to ask, how far are we willing to go to explain the unknown? For years, Oumuamua was a solitary mystery. Then came Borisov in 2019, a familiar comet-like interstellar visitor. But in July 2025, the Atlas survey found another 3I Atlas. Like Oumuamua, it was dark, reddish, and showed non-gravitational acceleration, speeding up with no visible tail. Suddenly, the anomaly was a pattern. Two such objects in a decade forced scientists to reconsider everything. Are these a new class of natural object or something more extraordinary? Our improved telescopes are catching more of these cosmic messengers. The urgency is real. We need to not just detect but intercept and study these visitors. 3I Atlas is a catalyst, pushing us to develop the technology to finally unwrap these cosmic gifts. The universe is sending us riddles. Now, we must answer. The reappearance of Oumuamua's strange traits in 3I Atlas reignited a fierce debate. On one side, Elon Musk, engineer and SpaceX CEO, searching for a natural explanation. On the other, Avi Loeb, Harvard astrophysicist, arguing for the possibility of alien technology. Musk seeks answers in physics and planetary science, looking for a plausible, natural cause. Loeb argues that inventing new types of objects is more complex than considering technology, something we know exists. Their public debate brings this cosmic mystery into the global spotlight. It forces us all to think critically about evidence, proof, and the nature of discovery. Science thrives on such passionate disagreement and bold speculation. The truth is out there, and this debate is part of the journey to find it. Elon Musk offered a new natural explanation. Maybe Oumuamua is rich in nickel. Nickel is common in planetary cores. A fragment from a shattered exoplanet could fit. A nickel-rich, highly reflective surface might be pushed by sunlight if it's thin or porous enough. Musk also speculates about magnetic effects, though these are likely minor. His approach: explore every physical property, searching for a known but overlooked explanation. This theory grounds the mystery in planetary science, not alien tech. Nature, Musk suggests, is simply more surprising than we imagined. It's a creative, conservative answer, one that keeps the extraordinary at bay. Avi Loeb counters with a bold claim. The artificial origin hypothesis is the most logical. He argues there's no evidence for a nickel-rich reflective surface. Oumuamua's color doesn't fit. For sunlight to push it, the object would need to be thinner than a millimeter, like a light sail. Loeb suggests Oumuamua and 3I Atlas are pieces of extraterrestrial technology propelled by starlight. He founded the Galileo Project to search for physical evidence of alien artifacts. Loeb insists ignoring the alien hypothesis is unscientific. We must follow the data, wherever it leads. The arrival of 3I Atlas strengthens his conviction. Two data points make the technological hypothesis more likely. If these are natural, why haven't we seen anything like them from our own solar system? For Loeb, the simplest answer is that they're not natural at all. The discovery of Oumuamua and 3I Atlas has opened a new field: interstellar astronomy. We can now sample material from other star systems, an unprecedented opportunity. New telescopes like the Vera Rubin Observatory will soon find many more of these visitors. The challenge: we lack the ability to study them up close. Rapid response missions, once science fiction, are now serious proposals. These discoveries have reignited public wonder and curiosity about space. Whether natural or artificial, these objects remind us of our own technological infancy. They urge us to be more curious, to explore boldly, and to listen to the universe. Each visitor is a call to action, to learn, to grow, and to understand our place in the cosmos. The journey has only just begun. We stand at a remarkable moment in history, a time when the boundaries of our knowledge are being pushed further than ever before. Humanity has always gazed up at the stars, wondering what lies beyond. But now, for the first time, we are beginning to find answers. The shores of our solar system are now littered with messages from afar, silent emissaries that cross the vastness of space, carrying secrets from distant worlds and unknown origins. Oumuamua and 3I Atlas, mysterious visitors from interstellar space, have transformed the emptiness between stars into a dynamic, connected web. Their fleeting presence reminds us that our solar system is not isolated, but part of a much larger cosmic neighborhood. The debate over their origin, whether natural or artificial, comet or artifact, is secondary to the profound truth they reveal. The universe is stranger, more surprising, and more active than we ever imagined. Every discovery challenges our assumptions and invites new questions. To meet these challenges, we must build better tools, launch new missions, and keep our minds open to possibilities we haven't yet dreamed of. The future of exploration depends on our willingness to innovate and to question the limits of what we know. This quest belongs to everyone. It's about our deepest questions of origin and purpose. From scientists in observatories to children gazing up in wonder, we are all participants in this journey, united by curiosity and hope. When you look up, you're not just seeing distant lights, you're glimpsing the potential homes of future visitors, and perhaps even the places where life has already taken root. Supporting exploration and embracing wonder are crucial to this grand endeavor. Our collective imagination and determination will shape the next chapter of our story in the cosmos. These silent travelers have given us a reason to look up and reach for the stars, reminding us that the universe is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. The final frontier isn't an end, it's the beginning of our greatest adventure, a journey that will define who we are and what we can become as explorers of the universe.